I talked to an auction expert who's been selling classic F-150s for 12 years. He tracks values, sees what collectors want, sees how much they're willing to pay. And he told me something every F-150 owner needs to know. There are 3 specific years that are becoming collector's items. 3 years that are appreciating while others depreciate. If you have one of these 3, don't sell cheap. Collectors are hunting for yours. If you own one of these 3, you don't just have a pickup. You have an investment that's growing. In 12 years selling F-150s at auction, he's seen the market change completely. Seen trucks nobody wanted now being fought over. Seen values double in 5 years. Seen collectors paying premium for specific years. But there are 3 years that are standing out right now. 3 years that collectors actively search for. 3 years where demand is exceeding supply. And they're not the years you'd expect. Not necessarily the oldest. They're the ones that combine proven reliability with nostalgia and limited availability. And today you're going to find out if you have one of the 3 F-150s that collectors are hunting right now. Subscribe because you might be sitting on value you don't even realize. First year, 1996 OBS. If you have a 1996 F-150 in good condition, auction expert says, hold tight. That truck is worth gold now. He's direct. 1996 OBS is becoming a modern classic. Last year of the most iconic generation. Collectors aged 40 to 50 grew up seeing this design. Now they have money, and they want it back. Why is 1996 appreciating? Nostalgia meets durability. The generation that grew up in the 90s is now 45 to 55 years old, has income, remembers this truck, and wants a perfect one. Expert showed me data. 1996 OBS in excellent condition worth $8,000 to $10,000 in 2018. Today it's selling for $18,000 to $25,000. Double, and keeps rising. He said, demand is increasing. Supply of well-preserved trucks is decreasing. Many were destroyed. Many became beat-up work trucks. The clean ones? They're getting rare. And when rare meets demand, price goes up. If you have a preserved 1996 OBS, you have the truck that defines an era, and collectors know it. Second year, 2004 Lightning. If you have a 2004 Lightning, auction expert says you have the most coveted F-150 on the market right now. He explained, Lightning 2004 was the last year. Supercharged 5.4L engine with 380 horsepower. Lowered suspension. Aggressive design. Ford stopped production after. Never made them again. And now, collectors are hunting these trucks. Lightning was always special, but last 3 years, value exploded. Lightning 2004 worth $25,000 to $30,000 in 2020. Today it's selling for $45,000 to $65,000. Perfect examples, going over $70,000. Expert is categorical. Lightning is different from everything in this series. It's not just a reliable F-150. It's a limited performance truck. Production was low. Many were modified. Many were raced. Finding a stock original perfect one, almost impossible. And when one appears at auction, bidding war. He told me about a 2004 Lightning he sold recently, 15,000 miles, never modified, perfect paint. Estimate was $40,000 to $50,000. Sold for $68,000. 3 buyers fighting over it. If you have a 2004 Lightning, you have the F-150 every enthusiast wants, and the market is proving it. Third year, 2011. If you have a 2011 in excellent condition, expert says you have the sleeper of the market, the one that's going to surprise everyone. Why? 2011 is the perfect year of the modern F-150. Reliable Coyote 5.0 engine. Indestructible 6R80 transmission. Robust frame. Good technology, but not excessive. It's the last before everything got complicated. 2011 is starting to appear on smart collectors' radar. It hasn't exploded like 1996 or Lightning yet, but all the signs are there. Expert explained, smart collectors buy before the boom. 1996 already went up. Lightning already went up. But 2011? It's starting. Well-maintained trucks with low miles are already worth more than neighboring years, and the gap will increase. Data confirms 2011 with 50 to 80,000 miles, single owner, Complete Records is selling $5,000 to $8,000 above equivalent 2012 to 2013. Seems small now, but it's like 1996 was in 2015, beginning of appreciation. If you have a preserved 2011, you're ahead of the curve. You have the truck that will be sought after in 5 to 10 years when 1996 is unattainable. So those are the three: 1996 OBS, 2004 Lightning, and 2011. Free F-150 years. 3 years that aren't just reliable trucks. They're investments. They're pieces of automotive history being recognized. If you have one of these three in good condition, don't sell impulsively. Don't accept the first offer. Know the real value. Because collectors know. Market knows. Auctions prove it. 12 years of auctions confirm. These three are different. Rising values prove. These three are special. Collectors confirm. These three they want. Which of the three do you have? Comment the year, miles, and condition. And if you've received good offers recently, tell us how much. Let's see the real value of these three F-150s that collectors are hunting. If you take care of your investment, hit that like button. This was our series showing why certain F-150s are special. Thanks for following all 7. See you next time.